So yesterday in our video we discussed about the possibility of further downside because market was showing a bearish nature. Yes, the market was not extremely bearish, but yes, there was a possibility of market going down. We also discussed the possibility of some liquidity sweep around 4480 4500 area, because this green box 4480 is a very crucial level, because if market goes or slips below this particular zone, then obviously market will be heading towards 4200 or 4000. So right now we can see the market is trying its best to survive above 4500, and from technical perspective, if we look at the chart, then we can see the chart is really bad because the market is choppy. So usually in a trending market, okay, when market goes up in a direction or market goes down in a direction, it becomes a little bit easier for us to trade because we just need to follow the trend of the market. Or when market is stuck in a range or market is sideways, okay, we simply need to stick to the levels and we can make some money, okay, just by playing from level to level. But in a market condition like this, okay, where the structure of the market is not clear, it really becomes difficult for us to trade. So my dear friends, if you're planning to trade for a day, you need to be little bit careful, because the direction of the market is not clear, okay, and moreover we also don't know, okay, what will happen, okay, in the next few days, because the fundamentals are also not giving us any clear indication. So please be careful. And if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold rises amid hopes for US-Iran peace deal. Gold advances for second straight session, but the chart is speaking a different story. So let's focus on the chart for the day. So as I have already mentioned on the group as well, okay, if market breaks this particular level, means if market breaks 4528 4529, we can expect a downside. I'm not saying that there will be a complete bearishness, but okay, in this situation there is a possibility that okay, market will at least give us 80 to 100 pips below this level. Why? Because you can see market has already tested the level 4 to 5 times already, means liquidity is there. So either market will break the level or market will grab some liquidity. So if market slips below this area, we can look for a quick selling position. And yesterday, though we discussed about the possibility of market going below 4480, but today there is a possibility that okay, market will try to take support around 4500 4480. So the sentiment has changed a little bit, because right now we can see that there is not much volume in the market. Volume plays a crucial role. वॉल्यूम का एक बहुत ही अहम भूमिका रहता है, एंड यहाँ पे ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम नहीं है. सो वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट ड्यूरिंग द डे market may take support as well. But the problem is that 4500 4480 $20 means 200 pips. It's a big zone, and obviously we cannot help it. Okay, so if market takes support, okay, we can look for a buy position. So for a better entry, okay, try to buy on a lower time frame so that you get a better entry. For example, if you trade on, let's say, hourly time frame, then obviously it will be difficult for you to understand where the market is taking support. For sniper entry, okay, so we can also consider the 5 minutes time frame as well. Okay, but before this support zone, before a quick bounce around 4480 4500, possibility of market going below this particular zone is quite high. Okay, now if market goes up from here, then we can look for a selling opportunity around these two zones in the market. Okay, let me show you. The first zone is 4608 4618. This particular zone in the market, okay, there's a possibility that if market goes up also, we can look for a sell position. Then we have a second selling opportunity around 4640 4650. So these are the two selling opportunities on the chart of gold. We can look for a sell position if market goes up. Why? Because market started falling from this particular zone in the market, okay, and 4650 4640 is also a round number psychological level. Okay, so if we combine both price action and the round number logic, okay, so there is a possibility we will get some selling opportunity. Keep in mind, Levels are not permanent, our capital is limited, so do not sell blindly. If you see the market is showing price rejection from above, then only hit the sell button. And this green box 4500 4480 is really going to be a very crucial level for market to go below 4500 4480. Okay, big amount of volume is required. So okay, let's wait and watch. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.